Hello, welcome to Numi's Crochet Nook. Today we are going to learn how to do beginner's easy crochet headband with 2 strands of yarn. For that we need 2 color yarns. Here 4-ply acrylic yarn. So for taking 2 strands we'll be needing a little bigger size hook. So here I am taking 5.5 mm hook. You'll be needing a yarn needle which has big eye, then measuring tape and a scissor. So let's get started. Take the strands like this and we'll begin with a slip knot as usual. Make an egg shape. Like this. Gently pull it down. So hold your working yarn. Let's chain 6. If you want a more width headband, you can crochet more chains. We are doing kids headband. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have done 6 chains here. So what you are going to do is, we are going to do single crochet method. Single crochet means we will be going straight into the chain without yarn overing. So we have 6 chains here. So this is our hook. So from the hook, second chain from the hook. So second chain from the hook means this is the first chain. We are going to work into a second chain. So go straight into the chain. 1. Now into the next chain. 2. Into the next chain. While going into the chain, please be careful that we are taking here 2 strands. So try to go inside the chain. Next. Now let's count our single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 single crochet are there. We had chained 6 but we skipped 1 chain and started from our second chain. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 single crochets. Now to go to the next row, we'll be chaining 1 and now what you're going to do is turn your work. Turn your work so like this and now go to your first chain from the hook. This is your first chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have. So go below the chain and like this. Once more, go below the chain. 2. Once more. 3. 4 and into your last stitch. Like this. Now let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's better to count the number of stitches you have done after completing every row, because there are chances that you may add an extra stitch or you may skip a stitch, which will make the headband shapeless. So now moving to the next row, chain 1, and just see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stitches. So go into the first chain from the hook and do your single crochet into the next, and do the second single crochet into the next, third and fourth, and your fifth single crochet. So can you see? This is it. Now to move on to your next row, you have to chain 1 and turn your work. Every time to go to your next row, chain 1 and do your work. Do as many rows as you need to complete your desired length. So let's meet after completing the desired length. I have completed my rows. Count how many rows I have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23 rows I have done. You can just measure. Now I have taken a doll here. Let's check the head circumference. Now let's check. See, it's correct, it's perfectly fit now. It should come like this. It should not be too loose nor too tight. We should attach this with the yarn needle. So before attaching, you have to do a chain stitch and then cut the working yarn. Do not cut it too short, cut it till, because we need to attach it with the needle. Keep the ends together and take your yarn needle and attach it. Go through every stitches. Now fix the end. Now do a knot. Now do the same thing with this end. Let's meet after completing this. Now have finished attaching this. Now what you can do is you can weave in the ends as we did in our last tutorial. I'll be giving the link for weaving in ends in the description box. Please check that. So this is the headband we made. Now let's try it on the doll. So be careful while taking the measurements. The headband should fit correctly. It should not be too tight nor too loose. It should perfectly fit the baby's head. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to do tea coasters. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to Numi's Crochet Nook. Drop your feedbacks in the comments box. Happy crocheting. Bye bye.